Hey guys, so Dining Playbook this week is going to take us all to beautiful Clinton, Connecticut, and the home of the Kenyon Grill, as well as PJ Lewis. I'm a proud owner of a Kenyon Grill. Describe the grill because I think everyone should have one.
It's a pretty traditional grill with one exception. You can use it inside. It's a fully electric smokeless grill.
Now, I used mine all last summer, even on the boat, and it's just so easy. It's crazy. So look it up, folks, Kenyon Grill. What are you going to grill up today, PJ?
Today we're going to have a traditional American hamburger because I haven't had a better burger, and I've been cooking burgers for a long time. I haven't had a better burger than one cooked on the pan.
Where do we start?
Burger is real simple. We're gonna mix that up with some Worcestershire sauce. So you want to form the patty until it's just bigger than what you think, because the burger is going to shrink up a bit. So that's ready to go.
Woo! And with the burger on the grill, we're going to leave it alone until what?
We're going to turn it 90 degrees, flip it, turn it again, and then take it off. You want to give that meat as least amount of contact as you can. So we also have here some homemade French fries. So we have these seasoned a little bit with some herbs, garlic, salt, and pepper, and a hefty amount of oil. These have been roasted off ahead of time. We're just going to throw some grill marks on them to finish. I like a vine ripe tomato for burgers. They're nice and juicy. Just an onion here. We're going to take a couple slices on and throw that on the grill as well. I like a good Kaiser roll. That's good. But the best is a brioche roll. We're going to toast that up just a little bit, just to give it a little bit more bite. This is just a little bit of herb butter. We're going to spread that on the roll just a little bit here. All right, you can see the burger here. It's pumping up a little bit. That's about rare right now.
PJ, you know what? That is one handsome burger. Once again on the Kenyon Grill, and I'm telling you, you guys made me such a fan of this grill. It's just such a great thing to have all year round. Where can people find everything Kenyon Grill?
Cookwithkenyon.com.
All right, PJ, stay safe, be healthy, and thanks for being our home cooking hero.
Thanks for having me. Cheers.